In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable sales tax on shipping in your Shopify store. This is an important step for any business owner who wants to ensure they are compliant with tax laws and providing accurate charges to their customers. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, take a look in the lower left corner. You'll notice a gear icon which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that to access your store's settings panel. This is your centralized hub for managing various features and preferences of your store. Next, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side of your screen. Among these options, locate and click on Taxes and Duties. This section is dedicated to all things tax-related and is where you can manage how taxes are applied to your products and services. It's a critical part of managing the financial aspect of your online store, as taxes can vary greatly depending on different factors like location and product type. Once you're in the Taxes and Duties section, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find a number of settings related to your shipping preferences and how taxes are calculated with respect to shipping. This area is essential, as shipping practices and associated taxes can influence your customers' purchasing decisions and their overall experience with your online store. Transparency in charges builds trust and can enhance customer satisfaction. Now, look for a checkbox that says Charge Sales Tax on Shipping. Check this box to enable this feature. By doing this, you are specifying that your store will apply the appropriate sales tax to shipping charges as well. It's important to be aware that not all regions require sales tax on shipping costs, but many do. Ensuring you're setting this correctly will keep you compliant with local tax regulations, and it will also help in seamless transaction processing from cart to payment. Double-checking this setup could save you potential compliance headaches down the road. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you've now enabled sales tax on shipping for your Shopify store. Always remember to stay informed on tax compliance requirements, as rules and regulations can change. Also, don't hesitate to consult with a tax professional if you're unsure about requirements specific to your area. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps simplify the process for you. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day and happy selling.